So the idea is that we're splitting the VGA signal, we're recording that signal, and then we're syncing that to the taping of the player. So we have the capturing of the screen and what happens in the game and the capturing of what the player is doing. The same thing we have for the Xbox. And I keep pointing this at you and expect you to shift, but it's actually. And here in the Xbox, we're using an HD PVR tool that again splits the HD output to a high-definition television or capturing it on a laptop. So that's a very mobile setting, very mobile setup that works very well for us because we travel to schools that sometimes we're an hour and a half on the road or on the subway, and that's very light equipment to take on. And if it's a handheld device, then we have the Spy camera here that takes 640 by 480 video and audio, 30 frames per second for 2.5 hours, and videotapes what people are doing on their little handheld device. So very mobile setup. And then we have a camera that records people. And very mobile setup that lets us get the data of both the participant and the gameplay. And then we do a video analysis of that and understand what game events resulted in what kind of reactions by the learners in terms of excitement, in terms of frustration, in terms of interest, in terms of engagement, and so on. And that's how we get at those design factors, right?